In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the weather location in Microsoft Outlook. This is a helpful feature that allows you to see accurate weather updates directly in your calendar, making it easier to plan your day, schedule meetings, or prepare for upcoming travel. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Microsoft Outlook website from the results. Once the page loads, sign in to your account if you haven't already. After signing in, you'll be taken straight to your mailbox. From there, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. A panel will appear on the right-hand side. Within this panel, look for the Calendar option. If it's not immediately visible, scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings, then choose Calendar from the available categories to access the correct section. Inside the Calendar, Settings, locate the Weather option. This is where you can control how weather information appears in your calendar. If the feature is currently turned off, you'll see a toggle switch. Click it to enable the weather display. Turning this on allows Outlook to show current weather conditions and a short forecast alongside your scheduled events, which can be very useful for planning ahead. Next, you'll need to add your preferred location. Find the option to add another location and click on it. A search field will appear where you can begin typing the name of your city. As you type, suggestions will be displayed. Select the correct location from the list, then confirm by adding it. Once added, your new location will appear in the list of weather locations. If there are any old or incorrect entries, you can remove them by clicking the trash icon beside them. This helps keep your settings organized and ensures that only relevant weather information is displayed. After making your changes, be sure to click Save. This step is essential, as your updates will not apply unless they are saved properly. Return to your calendar to view the changes. If the updated weather does not appear right away, simply refresh the page. You should now see the forecast for your selected location displayed within your calendar view. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.